What's up guys, go here, Rubik slide. So instead of turning individual layer, you have to move these cubies like so, just like that. Yeah, it is from company Rubik's. The cool thing about this cube is that you can actually mix it up in some interesting way, just by doing some shaking making and or turning, um, just by turning the cube, and just pieces start to fall in different places and it'll start mixing it up. I actually solved it once off the camera, but I thought I'd do a video of me actually solving it. So let's just go ahead and mix it all up and we'll go from there. Scrambled. So now I'm gonna try to solve it. Actually, I'm gonna set up a time lapse of me solving the first layer of the cube. Alright, just made first layer. And now I'm going to do the second layer. So it's going to be a different over here, putting edges in. Yeah, so for example, I need to put this edge over here. How am I going to do that? So first I have to somehow slide this in such a way, so I have to get rid of this, or somehow move this out of the way so that I can slide this one back in here. So in this case I'm going to have to move this, so I would have like some space to move it from here. So now I got that out of the way. Now I can slide this back in. So just move this back in, and then undo this, and then slide this back there, and there it is. So that's what I'm gonna do for the next 3 edges. So that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so I just thought I'd show you something. So I already did this edge and this edge and this edge. Yeah, all 3 edges are in. So here's a situation where you have to put a blue and red edge in, but there's no 2-color edge piece that would have to go in there. There's only 3 color corner pieces of blue and red and yellow. But yeah, so basically you can actually just, because they're the same, however you move it, either this one over here or this one over here, but you have to put one of them over here. So I suppose either way it's going to be right, it's going to be correct. So say I want to move this corner piece over here and put it over here. So what am I going to do? I'm just going to move this up over here and then put this over here, and then move this over here, and then I can just move this over here, and then just slide this over here over to the back, and then I'm just gonna move this up and then move this over here, and then down over here like that. And that completes all the edge pieces. And now I have to figure out how I'm going to reposition all of the yellow pieces. So I have to probably go like either one by one or somehow, or I already got two that are lined up, or actually no, not quite. I'll have to see how I'm gonna. Oh, right there, I got two that are lined up already, and here's another piece actually. I got three pieces that are already lining up. Maybe I'm gonna have to do some adjustments here. I may have to like do adjustments from over here. I can't just go. Obviously, you can't just rely on the top layer and somehow, but right. I mean, you can kind of see what already lines up, but like for example, yeah, I already have these three lined up, and now I have to somehow move these pieces around. So now I'm gonna go ahead and rearrange all the pieces, and yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. And there it is, soldered. Yeah, so that was quite of a challenge, especially the top layer. So yeah, there you go. Anyways guys, I hope you guys liked this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.